Chariots of the gods. Are we alone in time? Is it possible that we are not alone in the vastness of space and time? Could our ancestors have witnessed visitors from the stars? These are the questions that fuel the ancient astronaut theory. This theory proposes that extraterrestrial beings visited Earth in the distant past, influencing the development of human civilization. The ancient astronaut theory gained widespread attention with Erich von Daniken's book. Published in 1968, the book became an international bestseller, igniting the imagination of readers worldwide. Von Daniken presented compelling evidence, suggesting that ancient cultures may have interacted with advanced extraterrestrial beings. His theories challenged conventional views of history, archaeology, and anthropology. They forced us to consider the possibility that we are not alone, and that our planet has been visited by beings from other worlds. The ancient astronaut theory offers a tantalizing glimpse into a past where humans may have interacted with extraterrestrial visitors. It raises profound questions about our place in the universe and the true origins of human civilization. Monuments to the sky, the pyramids, and the Nazca lines. These ancient marvels have fascinated humanity for centuries, standing as testaments to the ingenuity and ambition of our ancestors. Some of the most compelling evidence cited by proponents of the ancient astronaut theory lies in the monumental structures left behind by ancient civilizations. These structures are not just impressive in their scale and design, but also in the mysteries they hold about the people who built them. These structures, with their immense size, intricate designs, and astronomical alignments, seem to defy the technological capabilities of their builders. The precision with which they were constructed raises questions about the knowledge and tools available at the time. The Great Pyramid of Giza in Egypt, for example, is a masterpiece of engineering and mathematics. Standing at a height of 146 meters, it was the tallest man-made structure in the world for over 3,800 years. Its construction involved moving and placing millions of massive stone blocks with astonishing precision. Each block weighs an average of 2.5 tons, and some weigh as much as 80 tons. The logistics of transporting and assembling these blocks continue to baffle experts. Mainstream archaeologists explain that the pyramids were tombs for pharaohs, built with ramps, rollers, and immense human effort. They suggest that a large workforce, possibly tens of thousands of laborers, worked for decades to complete these monumental structures. However, skeptics point to the sheer scale and precision of these structures as evidence that ancient civilizations may have received assistance from more advanced beings. They argue that the knowledge required to achieve such feats might have been beyond the capabilities of the people at the time. The Nazca lines of Peru present another enigma. These lines, etched into the desert floor, cover an area of nearly 1,000 square kilometers. These gigantic geoglyphs, etched into the desert floor, depict animals, plants, and geometric patterns visible only from the air. Some of the most famous figures include a monkey, a spider, and a hummingbird, each stretching hundreds of meters across. While some researchers believe that the Nazca lines served as ceremonial pathways or astronomical calendars, their purpose and creation remain a subject of debate. The exact methods used to create these vast designs are still not fully understood. The sheer scale and complexity of these lines have led some to speculate that they may have served as landing strips or signals for ancient astronauts. This theory, while controversial, continues to capture the imagination of those who ponder the mysteries of our past. Whispers from the past. Sumerian tablets and Mayan mysteries. Ancient texts and artwork offer intriguing glimpses into the beliefs and practices of past civilizations. Proponents of the ancient astronaut theory point to these sources as evidence of extraterrestrial contact. Sumerian cuneiform tablets, dating back thousands of years, describe the Anunnaki, a group of deities who descended from the heavens to Earth. According to Sumerian mythology, the Anunnaki possessed advanced knowledge and technology, which they shared with early humans. Some interpretations of these texts suggest that the Anunnaki were not gods, but rather extraterrestrial visitors who played a role in the development of human civilization. Similarly, Mayan art and mythology depict beings descending from the sky, often associated with advanced knowledge and technology. The Mayan calendar, renowned for its accuracy and complexity, has also been interpreted as evidence of extraterrestrial influence. Some researchers believe that the Mayans, guided by their knowledge of astronomy and mathematics, may have received assistance from beings with a more advanced understanding of the cosmos. Section 4. Technology beyond time, the Antikythera mechanism and the Baghdad battery. Throughout history, archaeologists have unearthed artifacts that seem to defy our understanding of the technological capabilities of ancient civilizations. These discoveries often leave us in awe, as they reveal a level of sophistication that seems out of place for their time. These objects, often referred to as out-of-place artifacts, challenge conventional historical narratives and fuel speculation about ancient extraterrestrial contact. The mystery surrounding these artifacts invites us to reconsider what we know about the past and the potential influences on ancient societies. The Antikythera mechanism, discovered in a shipwreck off the coast of Greece, is a complex astronomical calculator dating back over 2,000 years. This remarkable device was found among the remnants of an ancient shipwreck, offering a glimpse into the advanced technological prowess of the ancient Greeks. This intricate device, with its gears and dials, could predict eclipses, track the movements of celestial bodies, and perform other sophisticated astronomical calculations. The precision and complexity of the Antikythera mechanism suggest a deep understanding of astronomy and mechanical engineering. The Antikythera mechanism's advanced technology has led some to question whether it could have been independently invented by the ancient Greeks, or whether it represents evidence of lost or borrowed knowledge. Scholars continue to debate its origins, pondering whether it was a product of isolated genius or a testament to the transmission of knowledge across cultures. Another intriguing artifact is the Baghdad battery, a collection of clay pots, copper tubes, and iron rods discovered near Baghdad, Iraq. This curious assemblage has sparked considerable debate among historians and archaeologists. Dating back to the Parthian or Sassanid period, this assemblage has been suggested to be an ancient battery, capable of producing a small electric current. If true, this would indicate that ancient civilizations had a rudimentary understanding of electricity long before it was officially documented in modern times. While the Baghdad battery's true purpose remains a mystery, its existence raises questions about the technological capabilities of ancient civilizations. Was it used for electroplating, medicinal purposes, or perhaps something entirely different? The enigma of the Baghdad battery continues to captivate researchers and enthusiasts alike, urging us to delve deeper into the technological achievements of our ancestors. Section 5. Gods Among Us, Myths of Sky Beings and the Legend of Atlantis. Throughout history, humanity has been fascinated by the idea of beings descending from the skies, bringing with them wisdom, power, and sometimes chaos. Myths and legends from around the world often feature tales of gods descending from the heavens, possessing advanced knowledge and interacting with humanity. These stories have been passed down through generations, capturing the imagination of countless cultures. Proponents of the ancient astronaut theory interpret these stories as evidence of extraterrestrial encounters, suggesting that ancient cultures may have interpreted these encounters through the lens of their own beliefs and understanding. They argue that the descriptions of gods and their miraculous abilities could be ancient interpretations of advanced technology. Stories of sky gods are prevalent in many cultures, from the Greek gods of Mount Olympus to the Egyptian god Horus, often depicted as a falcon-headed deity associated with the sky. These deities were believed to wield immense power and influence over the natural world and human affairs. These myths often attribute the creation of humanity or the advancement of civilization to these divine beings. For instance, the Sumerian gods were said to have imparted knowledge of agriculture and writing to humans, while the Mayan gods were credited with the creation of the calendar and astronomical knowledge. The legend of Atlantis, a technologically advanced civilization that vanished beneath the waves, has also been cited as possible evidence of ancient extraterrestrial contact. According to the story, Atlantis was a utopian society with advanced technology and knowledge far beyond its time. Some proponents of the ancient astronaut theory suggest that the Atlanteans may have possessed advanced technology gifted to them by extraterrestrial visitors. They point to descriptions of powerful crystals, flying machines, and other advanced devices in the legends of Atlantis as potential evidence of this theory. While mainstream historians and archaeologists often interpret these myths as allegorical tales or cultural expressions, proponents of the ancient astronaut theory see them as potential evidence of real encounters with beings from other worlds. They argue that these stories, while fantastical, may hold kernels of truth about humanity's past interactions with advanced extraterrestrial civilizations. The debate continues, with each side presenting compelling arguments and evidence, leaving us to ponder the mysteries of our ancient past and the possibility of otherworldly influences on the development of human civilization.